Hello everyone, today we will make a headphones web design in Figma. So let's get started. First go to figma.com and click on Drafts Plus button in the left sidebar and click on Design File. First we will go to the Frames option and we will take the desktop frame. Now we will fill the color as a radial gradient. I will paste this color code and this is the second color code. Perfect. This is the logo of the web design. So this is the navbar of my web design. So it has a text which has written home and its font family is Josephine Slab and this is the font weight and this is the font size and this is the font color code. And here's a little line from Line Shape tool. Simple. Now I will paste my social icons which you can get from Iconify plugin in Figma. Let's group all of them by clicking Ctrl+G. Now, I will write the main heading, Experience Pure Sound Meet Our Headphones. I will adjust them. Now, I will change the font color code. This is the font weight of the main heading. This is the font size. And this is my subheading in which I have chosen Poppins as my font style. This is the font weight and size. Now let's start making the buttons. I will make 2 buttons. Take a rectangle. Duplicate it by Alt and now make it a rounded corners. And fill this color in it. And in the second button, remove the fill option and add the stroke in it and paste this color code in the strokes. Press T and write by now and explore. Keep them in middle. Almost done. Wait for the final result. Add some gap between them. Now we'll add the main picture which I have generated from Bing Image Creator. I hope you like this video. If you want the mobile view of this, let me know in the comments below and the Figma file is in the description. Thanks for watching.